Hello there. We're back again with another food review.
Hey guys, we're back at it again. Another father-son food review. This time we're reviewing the McRib. I'm kind of excited because I've never had the McRib before.
And it's been a long time since I've had one. I'm unearthly at 505.
I'm unearthly _ 505.
Like, subscribe, and here we go.
Smells pretty good.
Looks pretty good.
It's pretty good. I like it. I could do without as many onions as it has in it, but other than that, it's pretty good.
Or take and grill the onions.
Yeah.
That would be really good. Yeah, it's pretty good.
I like it.
Not as good as regular ribs.
True. I'd say out of a 1 in 10, I'd give this about a solid 8.5.
I think I'd go an 8. I'd order it again.
Yeah.
I like the pickles on it.
It really adds to the flavor.
They weren't skippy with the onions or the pickles.
They were pretty generous with the sauce too.
Mm-hmm.
I've been hearing people complaining about them being dry. These are far from dry.
Yeah. I like it. I'm not a big barbecue fan, but this is pretty good. Well, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.
Stay spooky, y'all.